itself, it is divided into manual and power. There are two types of steering. You must have heard power steering. Most of the cars nowadays have power steering. Okay, so manual and power. Now power is divided into like power is divided into two more parts. One is electrically powered and the other is hydraulically powered. Electrically powered, so it's called electrically powered steering, EPS, and the hydraulically powered steering, HPS. Most of the vehicles have hydraulic power steering, and hydraulic power steering is also used in boats. So, let me first come to power steering, then I'll discuss about manual. So, power steering, electrically and hydraulically. What electrically does is it uses a battery. Okay, so the whole system is managed by a battery. You just have to give an indication sort of thing. You don't have to apply any force. You just give an indication that I want to turn. You turn the steering wheel. There's not much force involved. How many of you know how to drive a car? You must have experienced, right? You just have to turn. It's very easy to turn a power steering. So it involves a battery, and that battery is powered by engine. That battery is charged by engine, because एक battery होगी कुछ time बाद down हो जाएगी. उसको कैसे करोगे? तो it is regularly charged by engine. So basically it consumes the power of your engine. And then hydraulic power steering. Hydraulic power steering involves a lot of fluid mechanics. Okay. Thing is, there are when you turn the vehicle, fluid should be incompressible. And why it should be incompressible? Any idea? Like the fluid used for power steering should be incompressible, because the force you apply should go through the wheel as well.
Continuous.
See, the thing it is that when you apply the force, it's a compressible fluid, and it will compress itself, and the force will be absorbed in the fluid itself. It will not even reach the wheel, or it will partially reach the wheel.